Hi guys! It's your girl Audrey! May bago na naman akong na-discover na Unli Shabu-Shabu at Grill Spot dito sa Pasay, just along EDSA Kerner FB Harrison Street. Ito ay ang high-speed train, unlimited hotpot and grill. Let me share you my honest thoughts about the place. Unahin na natin sa ambience. Ang laki, ang linis, sobrang aesthetic at parang nasa loob ka talaga ng tren.
Welcome aboard!
Plus, may free parking, malinis na restrooms at open sila daily from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Ang pinaka-bet ko dito, bawat tao may sariling lutuan for hotpot at grill. So, bawal ang tamad dito sis! Next, yung food selection. Grabe, sobrang dami. From meats, seafood, veggies, mushrooms, balls, at iba't ibang options na bihira mong makita sa ibang Unli hotpot and grill. Kumpleto rin ang sauces at seasonings nila dito. Tapos, hassle-free pa kasi lahat ng gusto mong kainin umiikot lang sa conveyor belt sa tabi mo. Malinis at naka-small portions para walang sayang at iwas leftover. Freshness bang hanap mo? Walang tatalo rito. Lahat ng meats, seafoods at veggies, super fresh talaga. How about add-ons? Ang dami! May ice cream, fruits, halo-halo, ice slush, at buffet dishes. At ang gusto ng lahat, unlimited din! At syempre, malinaw at simple lang ang presyo. 799 pesos per head. Para sa dami ng choices at quality, sulit na sulit ka na rito. Overall, masasabi ko, high-speed train, unlimited hotpot and grill really set the bar high for Unli hotpot and grill dito sa Metro. Great variety, fresh ingredients, sulit na presyo, at ang ganda pa ng vibe. Super worth it! Don't miss it and kita-kits sa next video. Bye!